Hello, good morning, everyone, and congratulations for your good marks. Okay, and as you know, the CET exam is going to be very important for your admission. Okay, so we have to study with this. Somebody please check. Can you hear my voice clearly? Takshak, please chat. Can you hear my voice clearly? All right. And you can see my board also clearly, right, students? We'll wait for one more minute, just a moment. Okay. Chalo, let us start. We will start with the chapter probability first. There will be 4 chapters in algebra. You will be having linear equations in 2 variables. Then you will have quadratic equation. Next is arithmetic progression and the probability. Okay. So today we will start with the chapter, easy chapter probability. Okay, as you know. What do you mean by probability? It is the possibility or it is the chance. Okay. So when you have, suppose we also use this probability in day-to-day life also. Like you see that there is a cloudy atmosphere. What do you say? अरे बारिश होने वाली है. Okay. And if it is more cloudy, then we say 90% it is chance of coming rain. So that 90%, what do you say, is known as the probability. Okay, possibility. So when you say 90%, that is 90 upon 100. Or this is known as the probability or the possibility. Okay, so here I will show you briefly, I'll show you what type of possibility comes for the exam, as you must also be remembering. When a coin is tossed, when a coin is tossed, first I will explain something. Okay, when a coin is tossed, some basic things, as if the sample space, as if the sample space where all possible outcomes must be taken, where all possible outcomes must be taken. So when you toss one coin, either head comes or tail comes. Okay, so H comma T will be your sample space. And then how many elements are there? There will be 2 elements. So number of sample points will be 2. N of S. N is the number. N denotes for the number. Number of sample points is 2. Okay. So when 2 coins are tossed, when 2 coins are tossed, there will be, suppose you have 2 coins in your hand and if you toss them, what can you see? Okay, एक example लेने का in your mind and you will get all the possible outcomes. So what can you see? H comma H, both heads, both tails, H comma T and T comma H. Like you are having 5 rupees का एक coin and 10 rupees का एक coin. There are 2 different coins. That's why H comma T and T comma H are different. They're not same. 5 rupees में H मिलेगा तो 10 rupees में T मिलेगा. Or else 5 rupees में T है तो H rupees में H है, like that. So there will be 4 elements in number of sample coins. And when 3 coins are tossed, there will be 8 elements. See how you should write it systematically so that you should not miss any of the element. Okay, there will be 3 H, T, T, T. You will take pairwise. Okay, H, T, T, T. Middle one, that is H, T, H. Then you should write T, H, T. If you have double H, T, then you will say T, double H. इसी को reverse करना है, H, H, T. Then you should take T, H, H. And in the same way, we can say double T, H. You will have H, double T. And this way, your N of S would be 8. This is just for your understanding. Okay, so whenever 3 coins are tossed, you will have 8 elements with you, and you will write pairwise. Triple H, triple T, middle one, that is HTH, then THT. When you take HHT, you will write THH. Double TH hoga, so you will have H double T. Students, I'm giving you 2 minutes just to note down this. You can note down, please. Some important concept you are going to note down right now, just for your reference. For your reference, you will note down this. And please remember this third one. You should not miss any of the elements. Now we will move to the dice. When you play snake and ladder, you have dice. Okay, on dice also they ask you the questions. The fourth one, when one die is thrown. Okay, when a die is thrown, you will have all the digits from 1 to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The N of S would be 6. There will be 6 elements. All right. You should know. You should know all the kinds of even numbers, odd numbers, prime numbers. Okay. Even numbers will be 2, 4, 6. Your odd will be 1, 3, 5. Prime numbers will be 2, 3, 5. Okay, prime numbers will be 2, 3, 5. And if they ask you whole square, perfect squares, 1 and 4. Okay, so in this kind of sums, you should know all those basic things of maths: even numbers, odd numbers, prime numbers, perfect squares, perfect cubes, and all. And when 2 dice are thrown, they will ask S is equal to 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, like that. 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4. Till what, students? 6, 1, 6, 2, leke 6, 6 tak. And you have N of S is equal to 36. Yes. And for this kind of sum, what they ask you, you are having two dice in your hand, and if you throw them, two dice are thrown. What can you see on the ground, on the face of the upper faces? 2, 4 like that. 2 and 4. You can see anything. 3 and 4. You can see 4 and 6 like that. So, but we will have to show everything in sample space. Sample space will include all the possible outcomes, all possible outcomes. All right. So here you should write all the possible outcomes in sample space 36. This you should know. And in this kind of sum, what will be asked? Same numbers come on both the dice. Okay. So there 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6 तक same numbers आएगा. They may ask you the first number is greater than the other. The first number has to be greater. So in the first row, there will not be any such number. First number has to be greater. So 2, 1. 2, 2 भी नहीं चलेगा. Has to be greater, must be greater. Okay, so 2, 1. Then in the next row, it would be 3, 1, 3, 2. The next row will have 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, and so on. Clear? Sometimes they may ask you the sum of the digits should be 10. Sum means addition, मतलब इन दोनों का addition ऐसे देखना है. 2 और 2 4 होता है, 2 और 3 5 होता है, ऐसे. This they want to be 10. Okay, addition to be 10. So you will go row wise. First row में there is no such element. Second row no. Third row no. Fourth row no. Fourth row में yes 4, 6. In the fifth row 5, 5. And in the sixth row 6, 4. In that way, you will have 3 elements when they ask you the sum to be 10. Okay. If you are very perfect in this, you can think orally also, because all MCQs based questions are going to come. Okay. So if this type of sum comes, then you can have that also. Okay. Then some more are there. You may have a ticket is drawn from the tickets bearing the numbers numbered from 1 to 20. Okay, so S sample space. And what would come? 1 to 20 may 1, 2, 3, 4, dot, 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 20. Okay. And here also, as I said, you should know the basic concepts of math. That is even numbers, odd numbers, then prime numbers, perfect squares. All right. Then multiples also, they may ask you multiples of 3, multiples in a table. 3, 6, 9, till 20, whatever you get, they are the multiples of 3. Okay. Or they may ask you multiples of 4, like so on. Then cards के sums आते हैं. Playing cards. Playing cards. There are 52 playing cards. Okay, there are 52 playing cards. I will just give a brief about the cards. They have 4 types. Okay, heart, diamond, clubs, and spade. These 2 are red cards. These 2 are black cards. And these cards each 13, 13, 13. 13, 13, 13, 13. Then each type consists of 1 to 10 numbers. Okay. And king, queen, and jack. They are called face cards. Picture cards or face cards. 1 to 10 number में से 1 को they call ace, एक्का. Okay, what we call ekka as, it is known as S. So here there will be 4 aces, right? They may ask you how many black cards are there. speak in your mind and tell me. You don't have to chat. Wait. These are the basic things we are going to. They may ask you how many black cards are there. So there will be 26 black cards. How many red cards would be there? Again, 26 red cards. How many diamond cards how many diamond cards are there? 13 diamond cards. How many aces? एक के कितने होते हैं? How many aces are there? There are 4 aces. All right. Then how many picture cards are there? Total face cards or picture cards? एक सूट में 3 cards. So in that way, there will be total 12 picture cards or 12 face cards. Don't count S and picture card. These are only the 3 picture cards: king, queen, and jack. Okay, these are only the 3 picture cards: king, queen, and jack. So each suit may 3. So there will be 12 such picture cards. They may ask you red king. There will be 2 red kings. Yes, एक heart का एक diamond का. So there will be 2 red kings. They may ask you black face cards. So there will be 6 black face cards. All right. If somebody wants to note it down, you can note it down. Cards wala sum. I will give you 1 minute for noting down cards wala sum. Total there are 52 cards. Heart, diamond, club, and spade. 13, 13, 13, 13. Heart and diamond are red cards, and club and spade are black cards.
Recording in progress.
All right. We'll move ahead. Then 2 more possibilities. I will take down 2 more possibilities. See, today we are covering everything. A 2-digit number is to be formed using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 without repetition. Okay. A 2-digit number is to be formed. Again, S may what will come? See, students, 2-digit number starts with 10. 2-digit number starts with 10. So please, some students consider 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3. They are single-digit numbers. Totally wrong. Okay. So 2-digit number starts with 10, 10, 12, 13, 14. How you will take ना? पहले 1 से चालू होने वाले लो, फिर 2 से स्टार्ट होने वाले, फिर 3 से, फिर 4 से. So 1, 0. You will not take 11 because they are specifying that without repetition. Means 1 and 1 cannot be repeated. 2 and 2 cannot be repeated. 3 and 3 cannot be repeated like that. So 10, skip 11. 10, 12, 13, 14. Then 20, 21, 23, 24, 30, 31, 32, 34, 40, 41, 42, 43. Okay, so there will be 16 such numbers. Here also they may ask you, whenever number ke sums are there, you should know even, odd, prime. Okay, sometimes they may ask you greater than 40. So greater than 40 में 40 नहीं आएगा, remember that. Has to be strictly greater than 40. So 41, 42, 43 would come. Okay. And lastly, a committee of 2 persons from 3 men and 2 women is to be formed. Okay, a committee of 2 persons from 3 men and 2 women. Men को we will call M1, M2, M3, and women को we will say W1, W2, W3. There are 2 women, sorry, only W1 and W2. And now again systematic order. First we have to choose 2 persons among them. Okay, we have to choose only 2 persons. So first systematically how will you write? First we will take from men, then women, then 1 man and 1 woman, like that you will take. So that will be M1, M2, M2, M3, M1, M3. All men are over. W1, W2. Women are over. Now 1 man and 1 woman. M1 को दोनों के साथ, M2 को दोनों के साथ, M3 को दोनों के साथ. This way I'm going to write. That is M1 W1, M1 W2, then M2 W1, M2 W2, next M3 W1 and M3 W2. Okay, how we wrote? All men first, then woman. 1 man, 1 woman. M1 W1, M1 W2. Okay, why you should write systematically? So that you should not miss any single element. Or else your answer will go wrong if you miss a single element. M1 को दोनों के साथ, M2 को दोनों के साथ, M3 को. Now your students, when I take M2, M3, you cannot take M3, M2 again. They mean the same persons. Okay, M2, M3 बोलो या M3, M2 बोलो, they will be the same person. So this is different from dice वाला sum. Dice में कैसे होता है? 4, 6 and 6, 4 we take both. Why? Again the same reason. अभी suppose एक रेड कलर का डाई, एक येलो कलर का डाई. There are 2 different colored dice. तो येलो में 4 आएगा, रेड में 6 आएगा, and रेड में 4 आएगा, येलो में 6 आएगा. So these are 2 different cases. But here these are the persons. So when you call M2, M3 and when you call M3, M2, they mean the same persons. Okay, so again M3 and M2 cannot be considered. Okay, I have covered almost all possible things. Okay, I have covered almost all possible things from probability. Now I'll go to the formula. The formula of probability is P of A is equal to N of A upon N of S. S is the sample space and A will be the event. Okay, I will show you one. S is the sample space and A is the event. Like S is equal to, suppose I'm taking one example of throwing one die. Okay, when one die is thrown, you will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When one die is thrown. Okay, and if they ask you find the probability of the event having number greater than 2. Okay, so N of S may we consider all possibilities, so that is 6. But now they are taking event A as the number greater than 2. Number greater than 2 may what will come? 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 will not be included. 2 cannot be included as the number is greater than 2, strictly greater. So 3, 4, 5, 6. So N of A में कितने आ गए? 4. Okay. नाउ प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ए का फॉर्मूला है n of a upon n of s 4/6 can be reduced further to 2/3 can be reduced further to 2/3. So what I want to show you from this is in this formula there is s in the denominator. In this formula sample space is in the denominator, so denominator will always be greater. Remember that denominator will always be greater because sample space will be greater and you have to choose the event from the sample space itself. Okay, you have to choose the event from the sample space itself, so your sample space will always be greater, hence your denominator is greater always. Okay, why I'm telling you the same, just keep this in mind. They ask you what cannot be the probability, and they confirm they are going to ask the same. What cannot be the probability among, suppose I choose 2/3, 0.5, 80% and 2.6. In that, check. Here you check that 2/3 by 3 is in the denominator. Okay, so this is the probability. 0.5 when denominator is greater, the answer will be in 0 point something. Okay, 80% means 80/100 आता है, right? 80% means what? 80/100 and 2.6. Whenever denominator is greater, it has to be in 0 point something. All right, students, understand this concept. Okay, so your probability is positive, lies between 0 to 1. It can be equal to 0 and equal to 1. It lies between 0 and 1. Equal to 1 हो सकता है. Okay, it can be 0 also. Like in the same example, if they ask you for the event which is greater than 7, in a throw of one die, if they ask you the event which is greater than 7, there cannot be any such event. In that case, your A would be the empty set. Okay, in that case, your A would be the empty set and there will be zero probability. There will be zero probability. Okay, all right. Now, in that case, your event 0. So probability lies between 0 and 1, including them. 0 and 1. If they ask you, find the probability of the event of the numbers greater than 0. So you will include all the possible outcome, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and that is known as sure event. Okay, that is known as sure event. In that case, your probability would be 6/6. That will be equal to 1. So it may be 0 and 1 also. It may be 0 and 1. Okay, but it cannot go beyond 1. Remember, 1.1 भी नहीं आ सकता है. Okay, so among all this, what cannot be probability? Think and tell me. You can chat. What cannot be the probability? Think and tell me. What cannot be probability? You can chat me. Okay. Okay, so this cannot be a probability, yes, because it is going beyond 1. All right, so beyond 1, you cannot have any probability. All right, so keep this in mind and you may note it down. Probability of any event lies between 0 and 1, equal to 0 and 1 will do. It cannot be negative also. It cannot be negative also. Please note it down. It cannot be negative. Okay. So we'll move further. In some cases, they will give you probabilities and n of a, and they will ask you to find out n of s. That also can be the question. P of a is suppose 4 upon 5. N of a is 16 and n of s is how much? This kind of question also comes. Okay. So P of a is equal to n of a upon n of s. Okay. So 4 upon 5 is equal to 16 upon n of s as it is. Cross multiplication can be done, but there can be one oral method also. You can relate it. You can relate these numbers. 4 4s are 16. So 5 4s are कितना आएगा 20. So n of s would be 20. Can be done orally as well. Okay, it can be done orally as well. N of s is equal to 20. 4 upon 5 is equal to 16 upon something. 4 4s are 16. Okay, in this way, they may ask you n of a also. N of s is 35. N of a is how much? Now this you can do easily. Four upon 5 is equal to n of a upon 35. So again, you can do it orally also, students. बोलो, you can chat. कितना आ रहा है orally फटाफट 1 मिनट में. You can chat. I'm giving you 1 minute. What can be n of a? And without cross multiplication also you can do, as I told you. No one? Yes, very good, very good. Yes, Gaurang, very good. Kanka, very nice. Shabash. So 5 7s are 35, 4 7s are 28. Correct? So this way, see again, I have shown you all the possible sample spaces. Okay. Then I have shown you Shabash Aryabha. Stop chatting now. Very good, very good. Sure. Now, we have seen all possible sample spaces for your portion. Then we have said what cannot be probability. Probability lies between 0 and 1. Okay, so when denominator is smaller, it cannot be probability. When it is going beyond 1 point something, 2 point something, 4 point something, cannot be a probability. All right. Negative ones cannot be the probability. Okay, then this type of sums, probability of a is equal to n of a upon n of s, and they will give you probability, and n of a they may ask you n of s. Okay, or they may give you probability and n of s, and they will ask you n of a. Now whatever you see on the screen, we will solve. I have shared one screen of probability. Now we will solve it First one, you don't have to solve. I will be sharing on the group. Okay, and you can keep it as homework. I'll be sharing one more sheet on the group to practice at home. So this will be done by me only. Choose the correct alternative. The first one, the set of all possible outcomes of a random experiment is called the set of all possible outcomes of random experiment. All means what? Sample space, correct. Sample space, yes, Shachi, right. Very good. Sample space. When two coins are tossed, there are so many numbers of sample points. Now you must be remembering. When two coins are tossed, there are, yes, very good students. Arya, two coins है, two dice नहीं है students. Don't get confused. Two coins. We have two coins, head and tail wala. Okay, two dice का sum नहीं. All those who have sent 36. Okay. Next. So there will be four. Third one. When two events are complementary. Wait. This I will show you. Wait. Like S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, I want to show you this. N of S is 36. And event A suppose number greater than 2. Number greater than 2. तो A में क्या आएगा? Be attentive students. Some important concept. One more important concept. A will have 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And therefore N of A will be 4. All right. And if I say B number less than 3, so B may you will have 1 and 2. N of B will be 2. Okay. Now, if you compare these two events, A and B, and if you combine them, what you will find out, they together make sample space or not. They together. When you combine these events, yes, they together get sample space. So these events are known as complementary events. We had the complementary sets in the 9th standard. On the same basis, A and B are known as complementary events. Is that all right? So when they together form a sample space. See, combine करो उनका union देखो. A union B is sample space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. In other way, what can we say? जो A में है वो B में नहीं है. And B में है वो A में नहीं है. Okay, they are totally opposite to each other. And what is their property? I'll tell you that. P of A would be 4 upon 6. 4 upon 6. And P of B would be 2 upon 6, isn't it? And if you add them, P of A plus P of B, you will get 4 upon 6 plus 2 upon 6. 6 upon 6, that is equal to 1. Always. So when two complementary events are added, their sum is always 1. When two complementary events are added, their sum is 1. All right. So you understood what do you mean by complementary events? They together form sample space. Okay. जो A में है वो B में नहीं है, B में है वो A में नहीं है. Okay, so they are called complementary events, and the property is their addition is 1. You may note down when two events are complementary, P of A plus P of B is equal to 1. Please note this down. When A and B are complementary events, P of A plus P of B is 1. When two events are complementary. I showed you with the proof, with the example, how it is 1. Naturally, because they together form sample space upon sample space is 1. Okay, and note down this formula also. P of A plus P of B is 1. I'm just keeping this as it is because some sums are going to be there. So our third, we were on third sum. When two events are complementary, their addition is 1. Alright. Now the fourth one, what cannot be a probability? The fourth one is following cannot be a probability. They have given, oh, here all are probable. See, A is 1 upon 5, B is 0.5, C is 15 upon 7, and D is 52%. Please look sincerely and observe them, and you can check. Following cannot be a probability. You may check. Yes, correct. 1 upon 5 normal probability is 0.5 can be there. As I said, it lies between 0 and 1. 15 upon 7 may denominator is not greater. Okay, so denominator has to be greater. So that is not a probability. C, the answer will be C. Because 52% may be 52 upon 100. Okay, so upon 100 will always do. 15 upon 7 cannot be a probability. Next, P of A, they are saying 2 upon 5. Okay, I will write down the formula and I will substitute. 2 upon 5. N of A is given 16. What is N of S? You may check. I taught you how to do orally. Yes. Correct. Your answers are coming correct. Very good. So orally also we can do. Within 1 minute we can. Within 1 minute we can solve this. 2 8s are 16. Then 5 8s are 40. Okay. So 40 would be your answer. Correct. Next. A card is drawn from 52 well shuffled cards. The probability of the event getting an ace card. Think, पहले ace कितने होते हैं और sample space तो we know. Okay, there are 4 aces and 52 sample space. 4 1 the 4 13 the. So it would be 1 upon 13. 4 1s are 4 13s are 1 upon 13. So B is the option. Now in the 7th sum, 2 dice are thrown. Yes, 2 dice are thrown to get the sum of the numbers on the uppermost faces is at least 10. If the event, then N of A, they have asked only N of A. So you will not think for the probability. Please read the question carefully what is asked. Okay. Sometimes they may ask you probability. Sometimes they may ask you sample space. Sometimes they may ask you the event. So here they have asked the events. Okay. So you will have to, you see, you can do this also only if you know the picture in your mind. If your picture is clear in your mind. Two dice are thrown. One, say like a 6 that we have seen. The sum of the numbers on the uppermost faces is at least 10. When they say at least 10, at least मतलब minimum कम से कम 10 होना चाहिए. Maximum sum is 6, that is 12. So you may have 10, 11 and 12. So think for getting 10 first, then 11 and then 12. ऐसे systematically जाएंगे तो you are going to get all the terms clearly. Okay, you will be getting all the clear terms. 10. So now think for getting 10 row wise. First, second, third में एक भी नहीं. Sum means addition. वो दोनों का addition has to be 10. Okay. तो 10 के लिए 4 6 5 5 6 4. That's all for 10. Now think for getting 11. Okay, think for getting 11, 5 6 and 6 5. And think for getting 12. There is only one element of having the sum 12. That is 6 6. So there will be 6 such numbers. All right, there will be 6 such numbers. Minimum 10, at least 10 means you should consider 10 and above. 10 and more. So 10, 11 and 12. All right, students. So there will be 6 such element. Correct. Very good, students. You are going very nice, very nice. Now, 8th one. There are 15 tickets bearing the numbers from 1 to 15. A ticket is drawn at random. The probability of the event of getting prime number is, you should think. Now they have asked you the probability. See the question asked. Now they have asked you the probability. Probability is asked, so you will think for the probability only. Okay, so in short, you can solve. Rough may you can solve and you can tell me the answer. Prime numbers. Yeah, correct. Shachi Vedika, right? You should think for the prime numbers, and students prime number starts with 2. Okay, so you will have 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. Okay, two prime number starts with 2. Prime number starts with 2, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Prime numbers are those numbers which go in their table itself. Okay, not in any other table. And one is neither prime nor composite. One is neither prime nor composite, remember. So, okay. Next question number 9. Again, they have asked for which cannot be a probability sum. You will say. Yeah, again they have asked. एक minute. जी अभी which cannot be a probability. They have asked 3 upon 5, 43% minus 0.6 and 0.35. Minus 0.6. I said probability cannot be negative. Okay, probability can't be negative. The minus 0.6 would be the option for not being a probability. Next question number 10. In a single throw of a die, the probability of getting 8 is what? Again, they have asked for the probability. Yes, corrected. Yes, Gaurang Shachi, right. Other are trying or not, I can see chats from the selected students only. Yes, Jitesh, nice. Getting 8 cannot be the number. You cannot have any number in a throw of one die which is greater than 7 or 6 also. So there will be an empty set of the event and therefore the actual probability will be 0. Yeah. Now question number 11. In a race between Mahesh and John, the probability that John lose the race is 0.54. Find the probability of winning of Mahesh. Huh? So now here understand there are only two persons in a race. First you understand there are two persons in a race. अगर महेश विन होता है नेचुरली जॉन लूज होगा. महेश विन होता है तो नेचुरली जॉन विल लूज. Okay, so they are called complementary events, right students? They are called complementary events. So what they are saying, there are two persons, Mahesh and John. The probability that John lose the race is 0.54. Then probability of Mahesh winning the race, little confusing. John, what do you think? That's why I always ask, read the question carefully. Okay, little tricky. Okay, little tricky it is, but it is simple as well. When John loses the race, obviously Mahesh wins the race, so it will be the same thing. Yes, 0.54. 0.54. Because see again, John loses the race, that means Mahesh wins the race. Had it been asked what is the probability that John wins the race, so we would have used that formula. There is one more question of this type. I will share another screen to you. Okay. Question number 12. Now the next one, question number 12. A two-digit number is to be formed using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 without repetition. Without repetition means 11, 22, 33 and 44 cannot come. Then they have asked only n of s. Only n of s is asked. Just tell me again, you may chat. You can have rough look and you may chat. You can have rough work and you may chat. Yes. Correct. Right. There will be 16 such n of s. There will be 16 n of s. Then 3 coins are tossed. After the 15, I'm going to give you some sums on the board to be solved now. Now 3 coins are tossed. The probability of the event that at most 2 tail turns up, very important one. At most 2 tail turns up, and they have asked. Now when 3 coins are tossed, I will write the sample space first. It would be HHH, TTT, HTH, THT, double HT, T double H, double TH, and H double T, where n of s is 8. Okay, n of s is 8. Now, event A, at most 2 tail turns up. Event A, I will just show you the whole sum here for clearing the concept. At most 2 tails turn up. At most का मतलब है maximum. Understand this concept. At most means maximum 2 tail होना चाहिए. तो 0 भी चलेगा. 0 can also be counted. Okay. तो A में क्या आएगा actually? A में HHH भी चलेगा. Where no tail is there. They want maximum 2 tails. So this will not do. तो ये छोड़ के you will consider all this. Yes. Where there are 0, 1 and 2 tails. So you will have n of A is equal to 7. Hence your probability of A would be 7 upon 8. I want everyone to note down this particular sum, please, within a minute. Please note down this sum within a minute. Because of that word at most. Okay. At most 2 tails. All right. And now suppose here they ask you exactly 2 tails. See the difference in their words. Exactly 2 tails. So you would take 2 मतलब 2 ही होना चाहिए exactly. So you will be very careful for those words. Exactly है, at least है कि at most है. Okay. So when they say exactly 2 tails, that means you will have this. I will take from here. You will have this where you can see the 2 tails, this, and this. So there will be only 3 events, 3 elements of n of A, where you have exactly 2 tails. All right. And when they ask you at least 1 tail, okay, we will take at least 1 tail means minimum 1. That means 1 or more. If they ask you at least 1 tail, so at least 1 means minimum 1 tail. So minimum 1 यानी 1 or more. Minimum 1 means 1 or more tail तो यू कैन हैव एटलीस्ट कम से कम एक होना चाहिए, तो ये नहीं चलेगा बट ये चलेगा. At least one, that means one or more. So here n of a would be 7. Please note this down also. At least one, that means one or more. तो एक तो 10 होना चाहिए, तो ये एलिमेंट नहीं आएगा. ओके ओके, H will not be considered. H will not be considered. You understood all the possibilities for 3 coins are tossed. Okay, different events they may ask you. Now 14th one you can solve and check me. P of A is given, yes. N of S is there, N of A find करना है. All right. Okay. So P of A, P of A is given half. Okay, N of A upon N of S, and substitute this is half is equal to N of S is 40. So N of A is asked. So 2 20s are, so 1 into 20. So N of A would be 20. N of A is 20. I hope this is clear to you all, this type of sums. Now, there are 3 boys and 2 girls. A committee of 2 is to be formed. Then they are asking us N of S. 3 boys and 2 girls. There are 3 boys and 2 girls. Okay. So short में how we will do? 3 boys will be B1, B2, B3 and 2 girls के name देते हैं G1 and G2. As I told you how to form sample space, committee of 2 is to be formed. That is, you should select 2 persons. पहले boys को select करते हैं, फिर girls को, and then 1 boy and 1 girl like that. So B1, B2, you can put in bracket B2, B3, B1, B3, G1, G2, 1 boy, 1 girl, B1, G1, B1, G2, 1 boy, 1 girl like that. कैसे भी लो मत, B1 को दोनों के साथ, फिर B2 को दोनों के साथ, फिर B3 को दोनों के साथ. Okay, so you will have all the elements. B2, G1, B2, G2, B3, G1, and B3, G2. So your N of S would be 10. In this way, your N of S would be 10. Now here, I will keep this as it is and I'll ask you possible outcomes of different events. If they ask you 1 boy and 1 girl, event A, there must be 1 boy and 1 girl. So we will be strict to the event only. Okay, 1 boy and 1 girl. So you will not take these 4. B1, G1, B1, G2, B2, G1, B2, G2. So you will take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 boy and 1 girl. They may ask you, committee contains all the boys. So 1, 2, and 3. Okay. For all the boys, you will have 1, 2, and 3. If they ask you at least 1 girl, again that word. Event A के लिए they ask you at least 1 girl. Again that word at least come. At least means minimum. Okay. At least means minimum, that is एक तो गर्ल होनी चाहिए, तो दो चलेगी. ओके, मिनिमम एक होना चाहिए, दो भी लेना है हम लोग को. तो योर यू विल हैव दिस कैन बी टेकन. तो ए में क्या क्या आएगा? G1 G2, B1 G1, B1 G2, B2 G1, B2 G2, B3 G1 and B3 G2. Okay, so you will have at least one girl, at least. Okay, please, you should be focused on those words. You should focus on those words. At least, exactly, at most. Okay, please note this down also. Some important point we are going to note down. At least one girl. तो at least के लिए one and more. At least one means one or more. If they ask you exactly one girl, sorry, if they ask you exactly one girl, that means you will focus only on one girl. तो ये भी नहीं चलेगा, ये नहीं चलेगा, ये भी नहीं. From this onwards, you will take all. It is same as one boy and one girl. Okay. Exactly one boy, so you will consider this. Okay, so I have taken all the possibilities for this type of question. Okay, when a committee is here, I will give you 5 more to do and see that you can do. A and B are complementary events, and if P of A is equal to 0.3, P of B is how much? In a race there are two persons. Anil and Sunil. If the chance is also the probability only. The chance of winning of Anil is 5/7. Then what is the chance of winning of Sunil? I will also show you, but you have to start and just check whether you can solve this or not. Next. Uh, a dice thrown. Write A, n of A for the event A of getting a multiple of 3. And a ticket is drawn from 1 to 20 numbers. Find n of A for A is equal to multiple of 5. Multiple of 5. Yes, Dhruv, correct. A ticket is drawn. Question 4. A ticket is drawn from 1 to 20. Find n of a for a is equal to multiple of 5. Find a is equal to multiple of 5. Today we have covered almost all part of the probability. Yeah, so right. Almost every part of probability, little part we have covered. See one more time. When A and B are complementary, you have to use this formula. You will substitute there. P of A is 0.3, then P of B is how much? Okay, I will show you there on that part of the board. So 0.3 plus P of B is equal to 1. So P of B is equal to 1 minus 0.3. So P of B will be 0.7. When two events are complementary, okay, their addition is 1. So you will know that. Question number 2. In a race, there are two persons, Anil and Sunil. If the chance means the probability. Yeah. If the chance of winning of Anil is 5 upon 7, then what is the chance of winning of Sunil? Winning the race by Sunil. Again, see, there are two persons. So in such type of sums, एक win है तो एक lose है, यानी दो ही persons है. So these are also known as complementary events. These are also known as complementary events. So again, addition is 1. Okay. So P of A plus P of B. P of A plus P of B is equal to 1 when events are complementary. Anil का 5 upon 7 है. Plus P of B is equal to 1. Okay. And then P of B is equal to 1 minus 5 upon 7. So how to solve this type of sum? Denominator same करने के लिए भी cross multiply. 7 minus 5 is 2 upon 7. So P of B would be 2 upon 7. इसको भी orally कैसे करते हैं? 7 में से fifth part is Anil. 7 में से 5. 5 अनिल को गया तो 2 हो जाएगा सुनील को. Okay, तो that way this can be done orally. Remember, 7 में से 5 गया अनिल को तो 2 जाएगा 7 सुनील को. In the same way, I will just give you some other fractions to do orally. If I ask you 4 upon 11 is A, then what is A complement orally? 4 upon 11 है. चेक करो दो जन. Yes, Jitesh. 4 upon 11, then it would be 7 upon 11. Okay. A complement would be 7 upon 11 में से एक part 4 है तो दूसरा part कितना होगा? 7 होगा. One more. Suppose A is equal to 12 upon 17. What will be A complement? Why I am doing this orally? Because MCQ होगा and orally आता तो it is best. You will not waste time in calculation. Yes. Yes, very good, very good. Yes, though it would be one more. If A is 60%, what will be A complement? If A is 60%, remaining 60% तो बचा कितना percentage? 100 होने के लिए 100% means 1. ओके तो यस यस करेक्ट है. अनुजा शचिदीप करेक्ट है. So you will have A complement is equal to 40%. No? And the last one more percentage नहीं लेते 35% है. So what will be A complement? ध्रुव घाई किया. ध्रुव दीप तुम लोग ने घाई किया. I was yes अंश राइट है. रुचिरा राइट है. I was going to tell you the same thing. घाई मत करो. Yes शची राइट है. It would be 65%. ध्रुव चेक करो. It would be 65%. You can check. Yes, yes. Dhruv, very good now. Okay. So don't be impatient while solving the questions. See, questions are going to be easy. You may feel tricky, but they would be easy. The only thing needed is you should read the question carefully. That's all. And you have to be very calm from your mind. Okay. इजी देखिए तो डोंट बी इम्पेशेंट एंड सॉल्व करने लगो तो ऐसे फिर सिली मिस्टेक हो जाती है. सम स्टूडेंट सेंड मी 75%. दैट इज कॉल्ड सिली मिस्टेक. ओके दैट शुड नॉट बी डन. एकदम शांति से करना है. तो ये 65. वन मोर की सपोज ये आएगा 0 पॉइंट समथिंग 0.57. देन ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट कितना. इसके लिए 1 में से माइनस करो और इट इज 57%. If A is 0.57. Yes, yes. Dhruv, Ansh right here. Okay, Deep, now it is right, right. It is 0.43. Very good. Okay, so we are using this property of complementary events. P of A plus P of B is equal to 1. P of A plus P of B is equal to 1 when events are complementary. I showed you all the types of the numbers which may come for the events A to find A complement. Okay, percentage में आ सकता है, fraction में आ सकता है, decimal में आ सकता है. We'll move to the next one. A die is thrown. Find the event A and N of A for the event of getting multiple of 3. That also you can do orally because you know the sequence, you know the sum when one die is thrown. एक ही die throw किया. और जैसे तभी एक गर्ल ने मिस्टेक किया था डाई एंड कॉइन. यू हैव टू रीड इट केयरफुली. ओके दैट्स व्हाई आई टेल यू द ओनली थिंग यू हैव टू बी वेरी काम. ऑलराइट स्टूडेंट बोलो मल्टीपल ऑफ 3 में क्या क्या आएगा व्हेन वन डाइज फ्रॉम. हाउ मेनी आर देयर. दे हैव आस्क्ड जस्ट हाउ मेनी. Chachi, they have asked n of A only. A. P of A is not asked. Yes. Okay, P of A is not asked. Yes, yes. Now it's right. Okay. So 2. There will be only 2. 3 and 6. Multiple of 3 में क्या आएगा? 3 and 6. We have also solved greater than 3. So when they say greater than 3, तो भी 3 नहीं आएगा. 4, 5, 6. Okay, greater than 3 में भी you will have 4, 5 and 6. You will not take 3. Greater than means strictly greater than 3. 3 cannot be included. And the last one, a ticket is drawn from 1 to 20. Again, they have asked A, multiple of 5. Multiples of 5 from 1 to 20. Yeah, correct. Unside. Okay, multiples of 5 में ना, we find students, they do not take 5. I don't know why. Multiple of 5, multiples table हम लोग 5 1 से बोलते हैं. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. So 5, 10, 15 and 20. Yes. So again they have asked for A only. तुम लोग को ध्यान देना है. A पूछा है कि P of A पूछा है, N of A पूछा है, क्या asked है. Okay, you have to be very there कि what is asked. All right. Then I said कि See, today we have covered all the concepts of probability. Everything I have covered. I will be posting this same sheet on the group plus one sheet for revision. If you have any doubt, we will be keeping some revision lecture or doubt lecture also. That time you may post, you just list out your doubts from all these 4 chapters. Okay, we are going to cover 4 chapters. Next, tomorrow I will be taking arithmetic progression. Okay, so please revise and set, so that would be easy for you as well. Okay, if you revise and set arithmetic progression, see, I repeat, simple questions are going to come. There will not be any lengthy or tough. The only thing, you should be very calm, cool over there. You should be very cool while writing your paper. Huh? And surely you are going to get full marks on all the chapters. Okay, so today we will stop here. Tomorrow, arithmetic progression. And thank you all students, and please revise at home. We have covered every part of probability today. Okay, all right, bye students.
And the other courses.
म्यूट केलंस का? म्यूट केलंय का?